In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the current DocuWorks that you currently have on your PC. Okay, so earlier we do have DocuWorks 9.0.1. So to go check that out, that will be that one. Okay, so we do have a 9.0.1 version of DocuWorks over here. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to update that one down to the latest version. So what we do is we open a browser and go to the website again, which is direct.fujixerox.com. All right, so let's go there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in with the same FX Direct account that we used to register the DocuWorks earlier. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so it's logging in right now. So now that I've logged in, I'll go ahead and click on DocuWorks. Okay. If you don't know where to go on this section, please go ahead and review some of the videos that I have earlier. I've explained about this website and what are the options that we currently have. Okay, and what are the details in the landing page. So go to download softwares. It will then open a page for you where you can download most of the DocuWorks software that we currently have. So we have the trial edition, and we normally have the DocuWorks 9 updates over here as well. So the current one is DocuWorks 9, all right, point 0.6. Now, why do we need to update? Now, if you have gone through the DocuWorks landing page, you will see here that there are some countermeasure that has been applied to DocuWorks. And if you are running an older version, then you will be having some issues regarding data loss, just what is written over here. There's a unintended data loss when you are stacking DocuWorks document. So to avoid that, you have to make sure that you're running the latest version of DocuWorks. So what we do is we just go ahead and download the updates and install the updates. So I'll show you how to do that now. So um, there's 32-bit and 64-bit. I'm running a 64-bit operating system on my end. How to check that? I'll go ahead and bring up my system information, and I can see here is a 64 base system. So I'll go ahead and download the 64-bit. Just click on save file. It will then save the file for us. So once that's done, then we'll extract and install the update. So as what I have mentioned earlier, this DocuWorks is actually version 9.0.1. Okay, so we're gonna close this one down, and we're just waiting for this to be completed. All right, so the download is completed. I'll go ahead and open the file where it plays the download. I'll extract it, and once that's done, I'll go ahead and open the DocuWorks update and run the setup file as administrator. Okay, click on yes on the DocuWorks setup. Now, the language option should be the same as what you have selected earlier when you installed DocuWorks. Okay, so for me, that's still English. All right, and it's proceed with the update. Okay, over here. All right, it will tell us that we're trying to update DocuWorks to 9.6. Just click on next. I agree with the license agreement and click install. All right, so it's just installing for us. Now, if you do want to check further on what are the updates, you can always open the README file over here, right, to tell you what are the changes that we have for the latest version updates for DocuWorks 9.0.6. Okay. Right, it is now successful. Just click finish on that. All right, and the progress bar will still continue. We'll wait for it until it proceeds with overall 1 over 3 to become 3 over 3. and we'll restart again our computer to successfully or to complete the process for the update. All right, so installation is now completed. I'll go ahead and restart this particular computer. All right, it's starting up. Okay, so we're going ahead and opening up DocuWorks desk, and let's check whether it does have the latest update now. Okay, so here, all right, 9 point, there you go. So it has been successfully updated. I hope that this video provides you how to download and install the updates. If you do have any further questions, you can let me know. Thanks for watching this video.